Hello guys, welcome back. You're watching Tayo Money. In this video, I'm going to show you guys this Bitcoin mining app I just discovered recently, guys. So I gave it a thought and so let me share it with you guys here on my channel, guys. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, just subscribe to this YouTube channel for more latest content, guys. I'll provide my invitation code to this app in the description box of this video. So you just input it in the space provided during the process of your registration, guys. So before we start, all you need to do is just go to your Play Store. You just head over to Play Store, you search Bitcoin mining, and I will show you the specific app you download. So you can see this one which says Bitcoin mining. So you have to choose that particular one which says Bitcoin mining. After you must have chosen that successfully, you will see many Bitcoin mining apps. This particular one is so special. You have to choose this particular one which says Bitcoin mining. You can see I've already installed the app. So for those individuals using iPhone, you can search the app on Apple Store to get access to it. You can see I've already downloaded the app already. So I'll just head over to the app right now and I will show you guys how you mine free Bitcoin with this free Bitcoin mining app. So this is the app right here. The account registration is not difficult. So you just have to download the app, input your details respectively, and as well my invitation code is provided in the description box of this video. You input in the space provided during this process of registration and you are good to go. All you need here is you don't even need to stress yourself mining here with this app. All you have to do is just relax, come after some few hours, claim the mining GH speed, mine for yourself, and boom, you're good to go. So here is the home page of this Bitcoin mining website. You can see on my balance here I have some amount of Bitcoin which is equivalent to 0.00024 BTC available on my balance. I've mined up that particular amount. So here if you want to claim, once you are here for the first time, you just have to come here. It says claim. You can see where it says claim 3GH. Yes, you just click on this one which says claim. It's given to you after some few hours. You'll be rewarded that GH mining speed for free once you have signed up on this website, absolutely for free. So you just have to click on that particular one which says 3GH and your reward will be given to you effectively, guys. So you just click on claim. Once you click on claim, the mining will start mining effectively. So you can see right here that you have claimed this. After 17 hours, you come right here and claim again. You can see the mining is active and is going on real quick, and it's as simple as that. You can see the mining going on right here. You don't need to stress yourself coming to mine every single time. After 17 hours, you just come, click on claim again. Your reward will be, the miner will be activated, and boom, you are good to go. So that is how to mine free Bitcoin here on this Bitcoin mining app. So next, clicking on your wallet right here, you're going to see your Bitcoin available balance. That is available mined balance. So all you have to do is to just, once you have seen the balance and you're due for withdrawal, you just click on where it says withdraw. So clicking on withdraw, there are two networks. You can use the recommended one, or you can click on where it says BTC. You just copy your Bitcoin address, paste it in the space provided, and see the minimum withdrawal 0.005 Bitcoin. You just enter it. Once you have mined up the amount, click on withdraw, withdraw will be successful. Or you can as well select this recommended one which says Lightning BTC. You can sign up on this particular app which is speed.com. You input your details respectively and click on withdraw to withdraw effectively, guys. So next, clicking on the profile right here, you can see I've earned some referral reward for referring individuals to this app. All you have to do is just copy this code right here. You copy your invitation code, share it to your friends, and boom, you're good to go. So that is how to mine free Bitcoin here on this Bitcoin mining app. So if you enjoy the content of this video, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned to my new. Thank you all guys for watching this video. See you guys in my next video. I love you guys.